Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Sketchbook app how to copy and paste. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To copy and paste in Sketchbook app, what you need to do is first open up your Sketchbook app, and then once you are here, tap the selection tool, which is usually the dotted line icon. Then choose a selection type from rectangle, lasso or magic wand. Then drag your finger or Apple Pencil to select the area you want to copy. Then once that's done, tap the three dot menu at the bottom, then tap copy to save the selected area. Then tap the three dot menu again, then select paste. The copied selection will appear as a new movable layer. Then drag, resize or rotate it as needed. Now if you want to copy an entire layer, go to the layers panel, tap the layer and then choose duplicate. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.